Hello everybody. Today we are going to be looking at earthquake zones. So in your Edmodo, you want to find the post that says earthquake zones. We have the link for the reading, we have the practice questions, and we have my email where they can be sent. Let's take a look at this. So every year, about an average of 900,000 earthquakes are recorded. About 150,000 of them are strong enough to be felt, and about 18 of those are major. So being a major earthquake, you have a Richter magnitude of 7.0 to 7.9. So a Richter scale is a scale that measures the magnitude of an earthquake. On average, there's probably one earthquake a year that has magnitude of 8.8 to 8.9. Anything larger than that is pretty rare. Now, keep in mind, these aren't all major earthquakes, as we can see from these statistics. There are several that are just small quakes, right? Small vibrations that can be felt. So, where are earthquake zones located? So, almost 95% of all earthquakes are going to happen along plate boundaries. 80% of those earthquakes are going to be around the Pacific Ocean basin, so right around here, because it has a lot of plate boundaries. So this region they call the Pacific Ring of Fire because it has earthquakes, but mostly because of its volcanoes. So there are about 15% that take place in the Mediterranean Asiatic belt. And then the remaining 5% are scattered around other plate boundaries. A few earthquakes are going to happen away from plate boundaries. These are called intraplate earthquakes. So these happen not at a plate boundary, but somewhere in the middle of a plate. So make sure you finish your questions and turn them in to me.